In this demo, we'll show you how to set up mobile cloud phones to easily manage multiple TikTok accounts. Let's get started. Welcome to your Multilogin dashboard. This is your main workspace. Multilogin provides cloud phones, real Android devices hosted in the cloud, allowing you to manage mobile platforms like TikTok without physical phones. Let's create your first cloud phone profile. Click Create to begin. First, choose how many cloud phones you need and give them clear names. You can bulk create multiple isolated profiles at once. All cloud phones can use the same settings, but each one is created as a completely unique Android device, so accounts remain fully separated. Select your use case to attach a platform icon for easy identification. Then add tags and notes. Now let's talk about proxies. A proxy allows you to connect to and log into accounts from any location in the world. Select Multilogin as your proxy provider to use built-in proxies. Connect from over 150 locations worldwide, including specific cities and regions. Manage accounts as if you were physically there, and reach audiences anywhere with local networks and IPs. Each cloud phone should be used for one account only. That's why you can choose a unique device brand and model. Everything is set. Click Create to save your cloud phone. Your cloud phone is now ready. Click here to start using it. After connecting, you'll see an Android home screen. You can click, swipe, open apps, and navigate using your mouse, just like on a real phone. On the left, you'll see a sidebar with quick tools. Here, you can check the connection, rotate the screen, take screenshots, upload files, and access the camera. Additional tools are available under the More shortcut. Just like with a physical Android device, you can install apps directly on the cloud phone. Open the Apps shortcut to access the built-in app marketplace. Next, install TikTok from the marketplace. After a quick download, you'll find the app in the menu, accessible from the home screen. Everything is now set up. Log into your TikTok account and start managing your content and posts. Manage all your TikTok accounts from a single dashboard. Start your trial today and get everything you need to grow your presence instantly with cloud phones.